Hey. Hey. Guys. We're gonna do some trolling on Minecraft. Wait. I'm gonna say something. Okay, we're not gonna troll some people. We're gonna go to the nude.
Hey guys!
We're gonna go to the
Hey
new
guys!
Let's Play world.
Daniel Blaze here. Welcome back to another video. So today we are in the Let's Play. Why does it say welcome to Let's Play?
Oh yeah, hey. Iron Place is gonna
Oh, I lag again.
upload this video. Yeah.
So the latest videos, but it's this guy.
Yeah, there is the latest video. I'm doing this for the
This
Vine.
is the latest.
Come on.
That's the latest. This is the latest thing that I did
Yeah,
to our
I get nothing. Why can't I get nothing?
nothing. I did this.
There go. Okay. I have three. I need 1, 2, 3. I need 2 more. 4, 5, 6. This is a problem. Okay, I'm gonna do this off camera. Okay, guys, I have it. And yeah, we're gonna fight. We're
No,
gonna
let's
fight.
not fight, bro. You scared?
Wait, no, not scared.
You're scared. You're not fighting. You know fighting.
I'm so sorry.
You don't know fighting.
This needs to be 4. Oh, because of the new update. This is
What?
of the new update. I cannot get 2 or 6.
What up, boy? It's not good, bro.
Wait.
Wait, I will name my sword.
I will name my sword too. I will name my sword.
Killer butt. Or killer butt or
Oh my god, this is gonna be good.
Let's go, let's go! Let's fight now, bro.
Where are we gonna fight? Wait.
Here.
Here.
Fight here.
Okay. Wait, I need to fix my bow. 3, 2.
Fight it.
Poopy PAP. Go. Oh, you're low. You're low.
Yo!
Yo,
Round 1, new place win.
I need to heal.
Round
Wait, I need to heal. I need to heal first. Hey, I'm here. So yeah. See you guys later again. Oh yeah, make sure to watch Dire Play video. And next video is gonna be trolling. Hey, they want to help me to troll people. Let's do it next time. Please, I want to troll people. Please. Hey guys. Select video in the game. So, hey, destroy the pathway. He's a jerk. He's a jerk. This is here's redstone, free redstone for everyone. I don't know. Communicating to command, but I don't know. Hey, hey. Okay. We are done building it. Oh yeah. Dino Place is Silex Silo gonna join the PvP battle.
Oh yeah, Dino please.
Is Silex Silo?
Alex Silo join.
Is Silex Silo gonna join our PvP battle?
No, we two only gonna do.
Wait, I'm gonna say the name. PvP. We are PvP.
Go.
It says later he will join the PvP lap battle. Go. Wait. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna set some fence. Look at that. That's good.
What?
I just put fence here.
Yeah, that's good. Don't put any more.
Where do I put more fences?
Nowhere.
Here?
No.
This is the chairs.
Let's just go.
Okay. Go to your corner. I'm gonna go to my corner.
3, 2, 1, go. You're gonna die. I'm gonna die.
I die. You die. Okay. Okay.
Round 2. I need to win round 3 for this final round.
But if I kill Dino Place, game over. Game over.
Let's fight now.
They want, do you like this that I put down?
I don't care. Let's fight.
Wait.
Okay. So, go.
With that,
You're cheating.
Wow.
Cheater.
I won again.
Accidentally pressed me. So nothing of this will save.
Oh no! Dang it.
The arena
It's now gone.
just got
Wrecked.
deleted.
If not, this not deleted. Oh my god. Go.
Delete that.
Are you going to are you going to the Dino World? Hey, are you going to the Dino World? I'm going there. I'm going to the Dino Let's Play. They want? I'm gonna go. Hey yo, I'm gonna go.
Yeah, then go.
Okay, I'm going.
Yes, still there.
Okay, Silex Hello's build.
Let's restart.
Let's just start this battle. Okay. I'll win! I'll win! I'll win! I'll win! You're the top PvP master. I just hit you 2 times with the bow, and you have a chance, and I just kill you. No, I hit you with the bow, like this. The bow is OP. It knocks people down. That's why I need the bow. Because I'm the bow master 3000. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button down below and turn off notifications. And yeah, see you guys next time.